Hey, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Have you ever looked at your garden and felt like it could use a little magic touch? Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned green thumb, Alyeska Farms is here to guide you through revamping your garden space, no matter its size or style. Now, if you're new to gardening, the whole process might seem a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, that's what we are here for. First off, let's talk about the foundation, soil. Ensuring your soil is nutrient-rich is key. You might want to consider getting a soil test done to really understand what you're working with. Next up, plants. Choosing the right plants is not just about picking the prettiest ones. You need to consider your garden's climate, the amount of sunlight it receives, and how much care each type of plant will need. If you're unsure, we can be a great resource. Or better yet, hiring a gardening expert like Alyeska Farms can take all the guesswork out of the equation. Now, on to the fun part, designing your space. Whether you love a modern aesthetic with clean lines and a minimalist approach, or a wild English-style garden, planning your layout is crucial. This is where a professional gardener like Alyeska Farms can really help you shine. Alyeska Farms can help you understand how to create a flow that makes your garden not only beautiful, but also functional. And let's not forget about maintenance. Regular upkeep is what will keep your garden looking its best. If you're not up for the task or simply don't have the time, consider setting up a maintenance schedule with a gardening expert. This way, you can enjoy the beauty of your garden without all the hassle. So, what are you waiting for? Let's turn that garden of yours into a stunning oasis with a little professional touch. Trust me, your future self will thank you.